2026 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.